Hello Abusafo, aha, KokoChem YouTube channel. Someone subscribe here. Best also babo modern one subscriber my YouTube channel way. Said ya beya dane day nyina no hebetime asua chemistry. Abom. And we are doing problem solving, okay? Let's just go straight ahead to the questions. Moment kind questions, boom. Question 1. We place one of the hydrogens on the first carbon atom of propane with chlorine atom. Second question was it, draw the expanded structural formula, name the compound, draw the condensed structure and the molecular formula. And last question was it, would this be a new compound or the same compound as propane if you remove the chlorine atom in question 1 and switch it with hydrogen? Moment how you best solve the question. We place one of the hydrogens on the first carbon of propane with chlorine atom. You fire modeling kit na. Say na propane ete. Propane ewo 3 carbons. Carbon black one carbon, white one hydrogen. Enti carbons na ye hunu dosen 1, 2, 3. Ena hydrogens na wo hunu 8. Ye said ye dika hu dada no. Carbon bia ne bond a obetim dia bond no 4. Enti hwe se ane se carbon we bond se ne wo ho e 1, 2, 3 and 4. Oba carbon number 2 so a bond se ne wo ho e 1, 2, 3 and 4. Third carbon no bond se ne wo ho eno so 4. Enti also we place one of the hydrogens on the first carbon. Your structure say no, we decide say we carbon 1, we carbon 2, we carbon 3. So number no o number and age now so which make us say we carbon 1, we carbon 2, and a we carbon 3. And meno ebia matrix say we carbon 1. And this say we carbon 1 hydrogens na are bonded to carbon 1 way no ebinie ebinsunie and ebinsunie. 3 hydrogens and a carbon 1 way home. Into also we place one of the hydrogens on carbon 1 with chlorine. Into ebeyi hydrogen emubako ewo carbon way no. Ni yakofa chlorine. Green way no chlorine. Na baby yi free yi hydrogen free no. The chlorine aba show. Into ya build a molecule no. Into first question no. Okay, I say remove one of the hydrogens on the first carbon into a year flow. KokoChem is here to help you every step of the way so that you'll be able to think critically and solve even more challenging questions, okay? Thank you again for learning chemistry with KokoChem. If you find this video helpful, kindly share it with friends and family and let them also enjoy.